In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if they answer incorrectly or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have that time on the clock. Teams, all the best as we go into our final challenge. Local affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Solid base.
Lisa Hanna. Lisa Hanna.
Member of Parliament, that's correct. Sports. With which sport is the Jamaican Molly Roan? Solid base.
Swimming. Swimming.
Most closely associated both locally and internationally, it's netball. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. Who was the first wife of Jacob? Solid base.
Leah. Leah.
Wife of Jacob. Leah is correct. Science. How do rough surfaces reflect? Solid base.
They scatter light in all directions.
Reflect light by scattering light rays in all directions. That's correct. English language. Form a noun from the adjective solid base.
Appointments.
Abundant. Correct answer is abundance. That's incorrect. Music. What's another name for the 8th note? Solid base.
Quaver. Quaver.
That's right. General knowledge. The Windrush scandal affects many Jamaicans who went to work in which country in the St. Andrew?
England.
In the 1950s and 60s, England is correct. Television is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Loretta Devine. Mathematics, giving your answer in meters. What's the sum of 5.02 meters and 25 centimeters? Time's up. It's 5.27 meters. Social studies. What's the second largest island in the solid base?
Hispaniola.
In the Greater Antilles, that's correct. Television. In the cartoon series Mickey Mouse, who is the owner of the dog Pluto? Solid base?
Goofy. Goofy.
The dog Pluto, it's Mickey Mouse. That's incorrect. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Solid base.
Mike McCallum.
It's boxer Manny Pacquiao. Bible knowledge, 3 Hebrew boys were ordered thrown into a fiery St. Andrew.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Into a fiery furnace by which Babylonian kings? Nebuchadnezzar, that's incorrect. Science. Your elbow is a part of an example of which type of solid base?
Lever. Lever.
Type of simple machine. Lever is correct. English language. Correct the error in this sentence. Neither the men or the boys, St. Andrew.
Or should be nor. Or should be nor.
Or the boys wish to play football today. That's correct. Music. The trombone belongs to which solid base?
Brasswind. Brasswind.
Specific family of musical instruments. That's correct. General knowledge. Which Caribbean country has a nutmeg on its solid base?
Grenada. Grenada.
On its national flag. That's correct. Local affairs. Who were the candidates for the leadership of the People's National Party? St. Andrew.
Peter Bunting and Peter Phillips. Peter Bunting and Peter Phillips.
At their recent election on September 7th. That's correct. Mathematics. What is 1,045 divided by 11? St. Andrew. Time's up. It's 95. Social studies. Andros is a major island. Solid base?
The Bahamas. The Bahamas.
In which Caribbean archipelago? Bahamas is correct. Bible knowledge. What type of tree did Zacchaeus climb to? Solid base?
Sycamore tree. Sycamore
To
tree.
see Jesus. That is correct. And that bell signifies the end of the match with Solid Base Prep on 32 points, St. Andrew Prep on 22 points, which means a hearty congratulations to you, Solid Base. Excellent effort by you, St. Andrew Prep. Stay with us. We wrap things up when we get back.